State prosecutors are asking to hold the Questa 14-year-old accused of killing his friend 3 weeks ago. In a motion filed by the state, they say his interest in guns and his access to them make him a danger to the community. News 13's Gabe Chavez has the story.
Our concern is about public safety, right?
The Taos County DA's office is asking the court to keep 14-year-old Porfirio Brown behind bars after he's accused of killing 13-year-old Amber Archuleta last month while they were hanging out with other friends at Brown's home. We're learning more about what may have led up to the shooting. In new court documents filed this week, prosecutors say Brown had access to many unsecured guns in the household and claim his parents left him unsupervised around them. Court documents also state that the gun in the shooting has not been recovered and Brown is the only one who knows its location. As a result, Brown's father is the first person facing felony charges under the recently passed Benny's Law, which holds parents responsible if they don't secure firearms in the household.
We are trying to assess all of the evidence and testimony that's going to be available and try to make our best argument for the court. So that way they are most well informed to make a decision as to whether or not, a detention is appropriate.
Prosecutors further argue Brown appears to have a fascination with firearms. When KRQE spoke with the victim's father last week, he said his daughter was friends with Brown, and he had no idea until it was too late that Brown might be a danger.
He was actually close friends with my son, and I never expected this to come out. He spent holidays with us and stuff like that, and he seemed like a nice kid, but it's turning out that he did have some really major issues.
Brown is facing a first-degree murder charge, and he will be tried in children's court. But if he is convicted, the state will call for him to be sentenced as an adult. Gabe Chavez, KRQE, News 13.
Brown's pretrial detention hearing is scheduled for next Wednesday, the day after his father's arraignment in the case.